Hi everyone, welcome to this quick Excel tutorial. Today I'll show you how to use filter function to instantly sort and display only the data you need. Whether you are working with a small list or a large dataset, this tool will save you time and make your spreadsheet much easier to manage. Let's dive in.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So here you can see that I have this sales data in which I have the date, region, products and the sales amount. And from this data, if I want to filter anything, I can effortlessly use the filter function. For this purpose, here in this cell, I will write equal filter, open parenthesis, and in the syntax of the filter function, you can see that first I need to provide the array. So I'll select the data. After selecting the data, I'll put comma, and next I need to provide the data from which I want to search anything. For example, if I want to search data on the basis of the regions, for this purpose, I will select the column of the regions. And after this, I need to provide the condition. For example, in the region, if I want to find the data of the north, then after selecting this column, I need to write equal, and in inverted commas, I will write north. After this, I'll close the parenthesis and hit enter. So now you can see that we are only getting the data of the north region. Similarly, if I change this data, and this time I'm just changing the condition, because for example, if I want to search my data on the basis of a specific product, then in the include section of my syntax, I need to select the product list. So I'll select the product list, and after this I'll write equal, and in inverted commas I will write laptop. And this time when I hit enter, now you can see that I am getting the data related to the laptop from all the regions. So now the criteria of the filter is the product. Similarly, I can also search my data on the basis of the sales amount. Again, in the syntax, I need to change the include section. So I'll go to this sales amount and select this column, and here I will write that if the sales amount is greater than 500, and then hit enter. So now you can see that I am getting the sales of all the products from all the regions in which the sales amount is more than 500. And that's how you use the filter function in Excel to organize your data like a pro. I hope this tutorial helps you work smarter and faster with your spreadsheet. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.